Hi, I'm Suresh Uteria. I came to know about Dr. Anoop through my son, who was getting his knee treated. He swore by him. Well, I get this severe cervical attacks every now and then, and I generally avoid allopathic medicine. So my options were chiropractic and homeopathy. Well, a few visits with Dr. Anoop, who was personally treating me, cracking, twisting and pulling and all that stuff made a tremendous difference to my pain. I needed those needling as well, which was amazing. It just kind of sucked my pain away. I'm 60 years old and I'm surprised that I'm back on my feet. I'm a tracker, I'm a jogger, I practice yoga, but I feel this should be a part of everybody's life to get this, your bones straightened out, your spinal column fixed, and I think it should be good as new. Dr. knows his job very well, and he personally takes care that everything is done in a proper way. And I'm very happy that I met him and I'm visiting him, and I would recommend him strongly to everybody who is suffering from cervical pain or a back pain or a knee pain, and especially for those who want to avoid allopathic medicine. That is it, give him a shot. I swear by him.